Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I made coffee oil. Yes, so I will be using 2 tablespoons of coffee. Just focus on coffee. So coffee stimulates hair growth, reduce hair loss, and potentially even enhance hair color, especially for dark hair. So I go on blending it. After blending it, I pour it on a bowl. Yes. Then I will add a blue Vaseline. Did I say Vaseline? Blue Vaseline. Yes. So I go ahead with coconut oil. Yeah, I will go with coconut oil, and I will go with this Dermatol. You all know Dermatol helps a lot, and yeah, and coconut oil as well. I go on with coconut oil. I will use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yeah. So here I will add castor oil. So if you don't have a castor oil, if you don't have all this oil that I'm using here, just use what works for you, or you can make use of what you have at the moment. Or if you are able to get all this oil, you can add more oil if you want, but this is what I will be using. So I will be using a double boiler method here, because I don't want the nutrient to fade away. I don't want it to go direct to the heat. That's why I'm making use of this double boiling method. Yeah.
I like the way your body's moving closer. Just to the beat until the night is over. Take it all. Make you sing. Make your phone so everything's begin. My mama always told me nothing's for free. She's got good and saving. I put it all on the table. Spend all I said, they know that I'm caving. One hand on the wheel, driving with one hand on my knee. I look in his eyes, but there is something I don't see. Late at night, chasing the high.
So I put this in a freezer for it to freeze. Yes. So I allowed it. I didn't allow it much in the freezer. I don't know why. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. So I rub it on my body, and it's so smooth. And I was feeling the Vaseline and the coconut oil, and I love the smell. This smells so good because of coffee smells good as well, and coupled with the coconut oil all together. Yeah, this is how it is. So I'm on mini braid. Is it mini braid? I'm on twist here. I twisted my hair at the back, then I braid I can't roll the front row. Yeah. So I focused on the front, on the edges. Yeah, because the edges are so short. I want it to grow. Believe me, it feels so good. You see that the dermatol oil that I put on it? Oh God, I was feeling it on my scalp, and it was so moisturized. My hair was so moisturized.
I like the way your body's moving closer. Just to the beat until the night is over.